Welcome back to JammyD Media. Today we'll be reviewing the box set of Planet Earth. Now there's a few variations of this box set out. There's the Planet Earth Complete one with this, and Planet Earth 2, there's deluxe editions, special editions. This is a somewhat special edition. You get an extra disc in it with 2 extra documentaries on it. This is the 2006 release show that was one of the first TV series to take advantage of the HD format, which is really good. Groundbreaking stuff in terms of documentaries and the way it's shot. It's really, really fucking amazing, really. I think the way it's shot, the cameramen are due a lot of credit on it. So we'll do a little bit of an unboxing here and show you what you get inside of it. So you get a little slip for Frozen Planet. That's one I have. Frozen Planet's alright. It kind of covers more or less some of the stuff that other documentaries do. But I'll do a review on that on another stage. So let's leave that over there. Box opens like this. This isn't such a good cardboard box. The top of it's scratched there. It's alright. It could be a bit stronger. Not great. But you get this kind of thing again. These similar little pull-out yokes. To the side, Planet Earth The Complete Series, BBC/DVD. There's no DVDs on this, so it is Blu-ray. So you get your habitats. The series kind of focuses on habitats, so it splits the Earth up into different habitats: Saharas, jungles, deep sea, mountains, this kind of thing. And basically the animals that live on it. Each disc has the name of the episodes on it. So you get nice disc art, very nice disc art. I'll show you. Push disc like so. Oh, that's really nice. Forgot it has that. So you get artwork that's pretty much the same on the disc. Actually, it's better printed, and a little description of what's on each disc behind it, which is really nice. David Attenborough narrates this. It's astonishing stuff. It makes use of your HD TV. It was one of the first few Blu-ray TV shows that I kind of bought. These are so good. You can sit back and just kind of watch these animals doing things. Really good. You get a bonus disc over here also, and this is kind of neat too. It's not on standard editions of it, but you get the Snow Leopard documentary. It's one I'm going to highlight here. Snow leopard is a very sort of rare type of mountain cat leopard thing, and basically to find one of these in the wild is ridiculously hard because of their snow, they're white. And the documentary follows this guy from Pakistan searching for a snow leopard, and it's like they're barely seen on camera in the wild. You can go see them in zoos or whatever, but to actually see a few of them in the wild is ridiculously hard. The terrain is just outrageously bad. Mountains, snow, wind, it's hard to move. So it's a very good documentary. I highly recommend watching that one. I recommend watching all of them really, but what do you get there? Mountains and fresh fish. You get schools of fish and things like this, and buffalo, antelope, jellyfish. I mean, this covers like a lot. This is a really good starting place for a documentary box set, I would say. I mean, there's other ones, Frozen Planet and Life and things like this. There was Blue Planet, which I think has been re-released on Blu-ray for a few years ago. But Blue Planet was a 2001 documentary. That was on DVD. But Planet Earth is a sort of impromptu sequel that's slow motion action camera. It really pushes camera work in documentaries to its limit, and fully takes advantage of high definition. It's amazing how well this looks. I mean, with like expert cameramen taking photos, and each episode's about 50 minutes or so long. And what's probably more interesting in the episode is the 10-minute little video diary that they gave of the crew actually following these animals around, and the stories of how they go about trying to capture them. I'll just show you the back there as well. Is equally as interesting. I wish they'd actually give us a bit more, another 10 minutes on top, because it's fascinating how they set up, how they set up their cameras, what they think they might do. If you're interested in photography and things like this, and videography and things like this, it's well worth kind of watching the diaries that they do, and that's narrated by David Attenborough as well. So you get it's a good high quality print on these things here. I'll give you that. Looks as nice as it should do. Uh, yeah, it's pretty fucking fantastic. So this is a new series, more celebration of our planet. There's little quotes here from David Attenborough and producers on the show and things like this about how they feel about it. We'll go over some of the special features and things that you get with this. Obviously, you get the desert lions and snow leopards are two extra documentaries that you get on an extra disc, and they're really fantastic. They're real gems. They're kind of different type of documentary compared to the other ones, which just kind of dips in and out of different animals throughout the world. Subtitles English, obviously in high definition, full length, 550 minutes approx, 5 discs if you're counting. Yeah, you get your subtitles. You don't really get a lot of other special features in terms of different dubbings and things like that. But I mean, this is 25 quid or something like that, 30 quid to pick it up. It's well worth it, and for an extra $5 you can kind of get more nicer deluxe versions that look better on the shelf. This was expensive enough when I bought it. It was 30 quid I think when I bought it, and but there's some amount of episodes on it. There's 3 there, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 episodes in total on this edition here. It is a fantastic box set. I cannot recommend this enough to you. Probably, I have a lot of documentaries up there, but this one here is very, very, very good. It covers a lot of everything on the earth. So it's places you've never been before, seen before. You know, just animals you never even dreamed that were alive on the planet that you never knew the name of. They're in this. It's not just giraffes, elephants, lions. They're in it too, but there's just... And it shows you the abundance of life really that we have on planet Earth, and how kind of wonderful they are and how they need to be protected as well. You know, that their environments are so specialised that they have adapted to live in them. It's really incredible. David Attenborough does so much good work, and BBC, the BBC Unit team, not to sell them short, they do an incredible job of capturing these animals in the wild. Really, really good. Looks like that. Fold back in pretty neatly enough. So you get the sides of it there. Yeah, wish the box was a bit sturdier. A few more subtitles would be good. Shiny box. Unfortunately, I should say, the top bit is scratched. It says, stunning television experience combines rare action on imaginable scale and possible locations and intimate moments. That's literally what I just said maybe a minute ago, but less articulate. As good as it gets, there's the Guardian Pure Class. Really good. There's a sequel to this out, Planet Earth 2, and I have a copy of that there. You can pick up actually for about 30 quid, I saw it before Christmas, Planet Earth 1 and 2 in the box set together. So there's various different combinations of this out there, but essentially you're getting the same thing. Planet Earth 2 is really good. I'll be doing a review on that as well, just to show you what you're getting. It's about 6 episodes or so, not as much as this, but this is the kind of flagship one. And I haven't seen Blue Planet, because I need to pick up a Blu-ray copy of it. I hear it's very good. I hope the restoration or the upscaling or whatever they did to it is good. But this is incredible. I'd love for them to put out a 4K version of this. It would be something else. I'm always looking just for more, bigger screens, better high quality, high definition. But this is fantastic. It's very rewatchable as well. You'll forget, because they don't really know what the plots are of what's going to happen to these animals. Even the cameramen don't really know. They're just following them, and then stuff happens, and they try and kind of thread together a story for you of what's happening. They let you know what's happening, whether they're having kids or they're on the hunt or something like this. It's really, really good. Really relaxing as well, and you learn things more about just how incredible the world is. Really, you don't get the kind of scope of how big the world is and how many animals we have in the world until you watch something like this, and the high def just makes you appreciate it all that more. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It's a short one because, you know, you gotta go see it for yourself. I can't really tell you the details of the stories, because it's essentially animals in the wild, but kind of thread together in whatever they're up to. Go pick it up. Fantastic price, real bargain. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you again very soon with another review and unboxing.